What is up, everybody? I am yours truly, Uncle Justin, coming to you from Binan, Philippines, where we are going to go exploring. Now, this road that I'm going to go exploring down, I've driven down it a million times, but this time I'm going to walk it. And I have found that when you walk, a lot of times you get to see things that you wouldn't have otherwise noticed. Now, this is something I am very familiar with. It is the everyday in the morning and evening traffic jam. Lots of small streets converging. Lots of people take those streets. We end up with lots of traffic. So check it out. I can't pronounce their name, but I'm guessing that the same family owns that cafe and the boutique. And it is right next to, they serve delicious shawarma. There is another business by the same family. I think they're trying to take over this street. Oh my gosh, look. They own a laundry shop. Hey, what's up, guys? Hello. There's the laundry shop. It looks like they also have a water refilling station. They really are taking over. Thankfully, the traffic's not backed up right here. And as you can see, an amazing feat of engineering right there. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So there's the pole that I just showed you guys, and then right there, there's a spa, also by the same family. I don't know if this is 100% true, but I did hear that that family was looking for investors at one point, so they may really be trying to take over. A little further down the road, and there's another unlimited restaurant. These Korean beef barbecue places, super popular around here. Looks like they're up there on the second floor. Let's just walk on this way. Mr. Sizzig. Ah, look. Here is a hardware store. Definitely seem to cater more towards construction, which is probably good because there's a lot of construction going on out here. Here we are. This is another place that is expanding rapidly. Alphamart. It's kind of like a small neighborhood grocery store. They carry more stuff than what you would find at a Sari. Certainly not as much as what you would find at a regular grocery store. And they're taking over. In fact, they're building one very close to our house, right in our neighborhood. You know, I said when you walk the neighborhood, you kind of find things that you haven't noticed before, haven't seen, that you kind of miss when you're driving. If anyone watching knows what this store is, I would love to know. It's got a cool name, an interesting logo. Obviously, it is closed. And then right down that way is the Binan Secondary School of Applied Academics. That is where our nephew Jared went to school when he was living with us. Well, I don't know what barangay I'm in right now, but I can tell you every barangay has a basketball court. And there's a basketball court behind that wall. And there it is. Everybody gets together, shoots some hoops, has some fun. But as for old Uncle Justin here, I'm gonna have fun by just keep walking down the street, seeing what all I can see. It's funny because political season is definitely here. Political signs are everywhere. I don't know what's going on over there, but I have always wanted a tiny little bulldozer thing like that. Hi! Everybody's so friendly. Oh, more politicians vying for your vote. Well, looks like we are approaching an overpass for that busy road right there. Just see if we can duck under. I think there's a spot up there, around here. Oh yeah, where we can see the Carmona River. Let's see. Whoa. That guy is loaded down. Alright, let's see what we got around here. Hey buddy. Let's go over here. Look at this sign. See what it says. Well, I have no idea what it says. But there is the murky waters of the mighty Carmona River. Over here, what do we have? It's like a junked out car. Looks like it's been here for a very long time. Look at that dust. Holy cow. My gosh. And of course, let me zoom out. There's a giant stack of firewood. Who knows what else over here. Let's go see if we can get another glimpse of the river. There it is. Back this way. Flow, river, flow. On the other side, it almost looks like there is a path to get up onto that main road. Oh, let's see. Oh my golly. I don't know, as I'm taking this path, I'm wondering how many times my nephew, when he was with us and was late coming home, how many times he was running around up here. Wow. Man, that is the slex. That is wild. I didn't realize it was the slex. But yeah, you can take this way south, or you can go all the way north to Manila and switch onto roads and go beyond. Yeah, traffic never ends. And you know, I just mentioned, I wonder how many times my nephew came up here to play or to explore as a shortcut. I really hope he wasn't playing on the slex. And I have no reason to believe he was. Now, if this was leading to a different neighborhood, yeah. I will start working my way back towards my neighborhood. Maybe stop in and see how Lonnie's doing. Hey, puppy! Hi, chicken! Just walking along, trying not to get run over. What a beautiful day it is. It's a little humid, but of course, it's the Philippines. It's always humid. But the temperature outside is awesome. And there is Lonnie's pharmacy. Let's see if we can say hi. Ate. Ate.
Go, come in.
Oh, come in, okay.
I'm watching the vlog.
You watching vlog? Well, this is Lonnie's shop. Let me zoom out here. She's got all sorts of stuff, all sorts of medicines, brand names, generics, milks, diapers, all sorts of over-the-counter stuff. We got some Gatorade. I think we're out of soda. But yeah. Okay, I have a serious question, hon. I came by earlier and you weren't here. There was just a sticker on the door.
Really?
Yes.
Saying that I'm buying something.
What did you buy?
They're donuts.
My donuts!
Ah, you went here?
She does love me. What do you have shoved up your nose?
Temperature is kind of nice.
What is that?
My inhaler.
Your inhaler or your smelly
My
drugs?
addiction.
Your addiction. I agree with that. No joke. Whatever that inhaler is with the perfume stuff on the inside, Lonnie loves that stuff. It's crazy. That was fun to see Lonnie. Really happy she picked up these donuts. I absolutely love those donuts for a nice snack, especially in the middle of the night. So earlier I told you guys about how these little neighborhood markets are expanding. This is another Alpha Mart, and it is being built in our neighborhood. It is very close to the church, so they will probably get some good business on Sundays. But then back that way, not too far, next to Lonnie's Pharmacy 1, there is a Pure Mart, which is kind of the same concept. You know, different owner, the same concept. So yeah, a lot of these neighborhood markets are becoming quite popular as a business. And of course, while they do carry more products than what a typical Sari store, a little store in front of somebody's home would carry, they still have to compete with Saris on the items that they do carry in common. And as you can tell, We have some Disney fans here. That's cute. Whoever did that car did a good job. The sun is setting. It is time for me to start thinking about what Odessa and I will have for dinner. So I am heading home. I want to say thank you very much for watching the vlog. I appreciate all your likes, comments, your shares, and if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. We're glad to have you with us. Until next time, God bless.